Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use color palettes in Canva PC. But before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and you can also click notification bell so you can getting more videos update. Before example, I'm going to create a design and I'm using template, for example this. And then how to use color palettes, you can select style option, just click and you can click see all in color palettes. So just click that you want to use. Okay, you can use as you like this. So just simple, that's how to use color palettes in Canva PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate and share. Thanks. Bye bye.